Welcome to this lesson on zero-coupon bonds. These are unique fixed-income securities characterized by deep discounts and no periodic interest payments. Throughout this video, you'll learn how they work, how they're priced, and when they might be appropriate for your investment portfolio. A zero-coupon bond is a debt security that doesn't pay periodic interest during its lifetime. Unlike traditional bonds that provide regular coupon payments, zero-coupon bonds are sold at a deep discount to their face value. When the bond matures, the investor receives the full face value. The difference between the purchase price and the face value represents the investor's return. The fundamental difference between regular bonds and zero-coupon bonds lies in the payment structure. Regular bonds pay periodic interest, often semi-annually or annually, throughout the bond's life. In contrast, zero-coupon bonds provide no interest payments whatsoever. All of the investor's return comes from the difference between the discounted purchase price and the face value received at maturity. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a zero-coupon bond with a face value of $1,000. You purchase this bond for $600 and it matures in 10 years. During those 10 years, you receive no interest payments. When the bond matures, you receive the full $1,000. Your profit is $400, which represents the return on your $600 investment over the 10-year period. Zero-coupon bonds are priced using a present value formula. The purchase price equals the face value divided by 1 plus the required rate of return raised to the power of the number of years to maturity. In this formula, P represents the purchase price, F is the face value, R is the required annual rate of return expressed as a decimal, and N is the number of years until the bond matures. This formula helps investors determine what they should pay today for a bond that will pay a specific amount in the future. Zero-coupon bonds offer several advantages. First, they provide a predictable return since you know exactly what amount you'll receive at maturity. Second, they have a simple structure with no coupon tracking or decisions about reinvesting interest payments. Third, they're ideal for long-term planning when you have a specific future financial goal or obligation. Fourth, they eliminate reinvestment risk because the yield is locked in at purchase, protecting you from uncertainty about future interest rates. However, there are important considerations to keep in mind. Zero-coupon bonds have higher interest rate sensitivity, meaning their prices are more volatile when market interest rates change compared to regular coupon bonds. Additionally, you receive no cash flow until the maturity date, which means no periodic income. Finally, there's the issue of phantom income tax. Even though you receive no annual payments, you may still owe taxes each year on the imputed interest that accrues, which can create a cash flow challenge for taxable accounts. To summarize, zero-coupon bonds are sold at a deep discount to their face value. They provide no periodic payments during the bond's life. The investor's return is earned entirely through price appreciation from the discounted purchase price to the full face value at maturity. These bonds are best suited for long-term goals where you have a known future financial need and don't require periodic income along the way.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.